Please, you are welcome to Expo GH IT Services. My name is Frank Ampreku, the CEO. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to resolve failed to load issues with apps. Yes, so sometimes you will install an app and then you will get this failed to load. So how do we resolve this issue? Kindly follow me as I take you through this simple procedure. First of all, just go to your settings, scroll, and then go to additional settings, then go to date and time. This place you can off it and then on it. Okay, you can just off it and then on it. Then you come to use network provided time, you off this one too. Then later you come back and then on it. Let's go back. Then let's go to apps. Go to apps. Then let's go to manage apps. Then search for the name of the app. Maybe noise. Okay, so noise app. Then you click on it. Okay, then you come to storage. But first of all, come here. First of all, when you come and this one is activated, force stop, you click on it, force stop. Okay, when it's activated, force stop, you click on it. Then you come to clear data. Then you clear all data. Okay, so let's go to app permissions. Let's go to calendar access for this app. This okay, this okay. Let's go back. So we go to restrict data usage. Okay, restrict data usage, you click on it, so you can off it. Okay, you can off it, then you click on OK. After this, you can come back and then reset it. Let's go back. Okay, so when you are done, let's go to Play Store. Just long press on it. Okay, just long press on it. Then you go to App Info. Go to App Info. So come here, click on force stop. Force stop. Okay. Then let's go to clear data. Clear all data. Okay. Alright. So I think, and let's go to storage and see. Storage. Go to clear data. Clear all data. Okay, that's it. Let's go back. Then you come to this place, click on clear all data. That is it. Make sure you clear all data. Okay, clear all data. Good. So let's go back. When you are done, just restart your phone. Okay, restart your phone and then install or click on your app to either install or launch it again and see if the problem is not fixed. Do that and the problem is likely to be fixed. Alright, but again, my name is Frank Ampreku, the founder of Expo GH IT Services. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that whenever we post a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you.